Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raina at Life with Raina. Today I'm going to be trying the viral TikTok Velcro roller blowout set. I'm not going to be using a blow dryer for this, but half of the girls who do this trend do not use a blow dryer. So I'm going to be using my curling iron today and some Velcro rollers and some clips. And I hope it's going to give me really big, sexy hair. My hair is kind of in its like natural curled, blowed out state. So it's pretty big as it is. I'm going to see if we can get some more volume and make my curls a little bit more defined, at least in my hair. So I'm going to see how this turns out. So we're going to be doing it for the first time together. So I'm excited to see how it goes. So let's get started. So I see a lot of people go like back to front. I don't know, I think I'm gonna try the front first. I'm a little nervous. This is like my front section. I'm gonna clip the rest of my hair back and get it out the way, just so we can start curling it. I'm gonna start by kind of brushing it out. I have some like existing curls, which may or may not help me, but I'm gonna brush it out to make sure that everything is good. I'm thinking, usually this is the roller that goes back like that. So my curling iron is a 1.5 inch. I'm gonna like crank it up honestly to the hottest setting. I already have like serums and heat protectants on my hair. I think it doesn't really matter if you get the curl right in the curling iron. I guess the point is just to have the heat pass through the hair, from my understanding, so it creates a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it underneath like this. And I am not a hairstylist, y'all, but I know how to do a little something on my hair. So I'm gonna curl it up all the way to the root, kind of like this. Wrap this around and just kind of let it chill for a little bit, just to get the heat going through it. So when we put the roller in, and I do this little clamping thing to make sure, and a twist to make sure I have all the hair inside. I feel some heat. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and release it kind of out like that. I'm gonna take, I guess I'm gonna take the largest roller just to see how that goes. So I'm gonna take the largest pink roller that I have, which is this one. Okay, so it's like twisted like this. And I'm gonna take it down on the roller. And I'm just gonna roll it up. It's already like kind of twisted as it is. And I'm just gonna roll it up like this and see. And then I'm gonna take one of my clips. These are no dent setting clips. And I'm just gonna slide it in between the hair and the root like that. And then we're gonna keep going. So we're gonna carry on. I'm gonna go to this section now and just keep applying our rollers. Okay, I'm looking a little bit funny, but all my rollers are in my hair. I'm gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes and then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. I really love how this came out. The curls are so fluffy and my hair has so much stinking volume. I really like this. This is like a very cute blowout 90s look. It is so cute, so easy. I'm really glad I took the chance on trying this. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this week's video. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe at Life with Raina on OnlyFans and OFTV. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.